guys, today we're doing the glowing diorama pumpkin kit. We're going to open up the kit and see what's inside. First we've got, I think this is the background that we're going to trace. Another background that we're going to trace. But this time is a cat. And another one that we're going to trace, but it's a different set. Well, this one's the same set, but this one's not. Gonna put these together. Another one we're gonna a trick, but this one says or. Another one we're gonna trick, but this one says tweet. We're gonna trace this also, but it's not yellow. There's two of them. Tools. Shoveling thingy for the pumpkin. This is one of the lights that we're going to put inside so it can glow. There's two of them. And that's it. Now I'm going to tell you the directions. Carve the bottom and hollow out the opening. Insert the tray with the slot facing you. Insert the cutout like shown. Rotate the tray assembly and drop in the last piece. Place your pumpkin over the tea light adjust position to achieve this shading effect. This sounds easy. Meanwhile, with a pumpkin too. Go back to pumpkin now. Now we're gonna carve the pumpkin with this and insert the tray. Now we're going to carve pumpkin 2. We're going to insert these into the pumpkin. And now the other one, pumpkin 1 is next. We're going to insert the cutouts. Now here's the final results. Lights. So cool. I hope you have a happy Halloween. Make sure you like and subscribe.